Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix a Nintendo Switch that is stuck or frozen. Coming up next. So is your Nintendo Switch stuck or frozen in one of your games loading menus? So for example, in Fortnite, if you are going to load up a game and you walk away from your Wi-Fi or you disconnect from your Wi-Fi, your game's going to continuously load, and no matter what you do on the screen, if you press the home button or any of the buttons on the screens, and if you go ahead and disconnect one of your controllers, you'll see your controller is still turned on here. And it seems like nothing you do allows you to go ahead and control your Nintendo Switch and go back to the home screen or close the application. Well, there's one thing that you can go ahead and do if everything else failed, and this involves resetting your Nintendo Switch. So at the top of your Nintendo Switch, there is a power button right here. If you go ahead and hold this down for about 10 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 seconds, your Nintendo Switch will completely turn off. Now when your Nintendo Switch is turned off, simply just go ahead and press that power button again and turn it back on. So my Nintendo Switch is completely restarting now, and I'm going to be able to control it once again. So my Switch has restarted, and you shouldn't lose any game data or game saves throughout this process, and it seems like most of the time this happens. It's because you're loading up a game and you walk away from your Wi-Fi or you disconnect. So if this video did indeed help you out fix a frozen or stuck Nintendo Switch and reset it, leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Nintendo Switch tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.